Tushar Sawan goes for Dharka. Without scoring, return back to the pavilion as Gani hits the ground. Another wicket ball this time. Mohammad Ali Creek for the very first delivery. Ooh la la. People love confident appeal. Is every day is not Sunday. The single in the process takes the score to लेकिन पर हल्का से खेला वहां पर शॉर्ट पॉइंट में फील्डर मौजूद था लेकिन इस बीच एक रन चुराने में कामयाब 30 ओवर तक दिखी करना चाहते थे वहां पर चोरी चुपके एक रन जरूर पूरा किया गेंद Gani is captured as well. कट किया है वहां पर पॉट के दिशा में गई गेंद वहां पर फील्डर मौजूद है डी पार्षद जब तक थ्रो आए इस बीच दौड़कर 2 रन पूरे किए गेंद धीमी रही थी काफी अच्छी फील्डिंग से दौड़ की है तीसरा झटका 15
चलते रहे
गैप में से और ये चौका शामिल करना चाहते थे लेकिन इस बार काफी अच्छी गेंदबाजी उछाल था इस बार गेंद में समझ नहीं पाए This is nice play on drive, beats the short fielder, diving away from Afridi there. The short mid-wicket region, Raza Sheikh. Back to the bowler, Akif Saeed, the bat going to press it. Good looking drive, straight to the fielder there. The single chipping for a single, gets the score, takes the score. Captain, good call and good response from Alok Deshpande. Boys, please walk outside the ground. Flashy shot, finds the gap, finds the boundary, ball 11. Lofted shot, once again the ball is racing towards the boundary line, goal the win, yes it does! Back to back ball! Welcome you sir. Watchfully played push, Delagade gets a single. Score is 40. This is what exactly is the requirement of ball 11. Such a promising scene. Short ball and step to play. To time it well. Once again chipped in. Alok Deshpande.
60,000 cash आशिल्ले
chipped in for a single.
ना तसे एक्झॅक्ट सांगू शकना
50 for Iqbal 11. That's again. Nicely picked up this time on drive and a delicate touch from the cap. So again. Once again a single.
Come on, yes, shot mara yaar. Mere tar pकड़ रहा.
इसका ड्राइव वहां पर फील्डर बॉल थोड़ी सी और ये कोई जरूरत नहीं थी रन की, लेकिन अच्छी फील्डिंग और चक्रों सीधा विकेट पर टकरा कर कट किया और वहां पर कट किया। वहां पर डीप फॉर्म से फील्डर मौजूद है, जब तक फील्ड करेंगे दूसरा लेना चाहते थे, लेकिन इस बार a loud confident appeal from the wicketkeeper. Gets it with ease. Another single. Good looking drive. There is a fielder. Good work. Stop what could have been a couple of runs. Nicely cut to find the field once again in the gully region. Ashok Kodete from. Drive once again, but didn't quite get hold of that one, but still will get a single runs. Good fielding once again by field. Coming down the wicket, hitting the ball on the half volley. Alok Deshpande straight to the bowler. Coming down the wicket, hitting the ball on the half volley and play nice and straight to long on. There is a fielder, will cut it off in the bumper. Boundary for Iqbal 11. सीधा शॉट खेला बॉलर के ऊपर से, सिर्फ एक रन करके वहां पर डीप ब्लॉक क्षेत्र में मौजूद सिर्फ एक। This is good looking placement from Alok Deshpande. 2 is the call. Lofted shot. There is a man. Will he reach to that ball? Oh, he did. It's gone all the way against the huge sixer. Right, in a given time, Shikode once again continues his bowling, but this time on drive, looking for two, going for it, running between the wickets. This is quite handy and beneficial for light delivery, nicely played, nice and straight. There is the fielder. Little fumble from Miraj Khan, but no second run. Simple end. Good looking drive. The ball is in the gap. It's racing away. Will it go all the way? Good fielding. Conquering go slowly but surely. Good looking shot. It's going all the way. It's good. Captain's face. Loud and confident appeal given. This is the turn loud. The Ismail Khan is make a finding a good take from Damodar Rekha. Fifth wicket goes down off Iqbal 11. Badal Singh tries to go batting. Once again a good drive from Alok Deshpande. Looking for two, no, but just gets one. Score goes to 101 end of 15. And they get another single in the process, takes the score to 102. Direct throw misses the stands. Just a single takes the score to 102. Looking drive once again to find the field and the shot towers. They find it quickly. Good looking shot, they find the fielder. Continues once again. Good looking drive from Alok Deshpande. Coming down the wicket, good nice shot, straight to the fielder there. Ashay Javekar doesn't drop any more catches, so another wicket goes down. Coming down the wicket, bang! There is a fielder in the deep mid wicket region. Vijay Patil there. Will pick up it. Nice and straight between long off and long, and the ball is going. Good looking shot.
Only 10 की song है. वो वाला 70 रन मारा, वो वाला 60 खत्म हुआ, एक ही विकेट है, एक ही विकेट है।
Chasing the target, Iqbal 11 could manage to score 124 runs for the loss of 9 wickets, thus falling short by 23 runs. Alok Deshpande was their top scorer with 50 runs, Zishan Ali made 22, while Muktiyar Kadri contributed 18 runs.